If you smell that coffee brewing, you know what the fuck we doing.
Man, I am that nigga.
They coffee vibing in this bitch, come catch a vibing here.
The gang getting crazy by the second, too much sloppy shit. Too many streets investigators, too many politics. Everybody got an opinion, some people take offense. They say that ball rap, but that shit can be confidential. When you're doing business with a boss, gotta hit the table first. I can't call it ball rap, where's paperwork? Now if you show he told something, I can't fuck with you. Bitch, you written in black and white, you a fuck nigga. I'ma be me at all time, hope it ain't the wrong image. All that Choosen Sides shit, I don't condone in it. They can tell the way I run this shit, I'm a different breed. They can tell the way I run this bitch, we in two different leagues. Before they tell the truth, they'll go around telling lies. My own rhyme talking down, shit ain't surprised. The smiling shit be fakeness. I know these niggas hate me, waiting on the right time to snake me. I'm sitting back waiting patient. Every time your friend be your downfall. Fuck being carried by six, rather hear roll call. I lay down and do my time before a nigga play me. Is I read the one in the head, in this bitch off safety. I seen real niggas lose their life to some fuck niggas. That's why I'm solo clutching bad. I can't fall victim, can't trust these hoes, cause these hoes play a dirty game. Something cross with you on the X, now he want your brain. If that's your dog, hold him down, pay them lawyer fee. Microwave stove shit, homie, come and get a quarter key. Quarter key. Yeah. This that microwave stove shit, homie, did just a quarter piece, quarter piece, quarter piece, quarter piece, quarter piece. Microwave stove, microwave.